Thank you, Mia. We've all heard that men are less likely to seek medical attention or advice from their doctors, and this is true. Of course, how harmful can this be? Men's health expert Dr. Amy Perlman stopped by ISF to share how men can take ownership of their health in order to receive the health care they need.
It's so good to be here. Thank you for having me.
Of course, the conversation we're going to have today is around men and men's health. Men are so reluctant to go to the doctor. Why are they, more than women, more reluctant to visit the doctor and get screened, doctor?
Jason, it's so special that we're having this conversation today because you're right. It is so critical and sooner rather than later matters. So according to the Cleveland Clinic, I don't know if you're going to believe this or not, but 72% of men said they would rather be doing household chores, even something like cleaning toilets, than going to the doctor. There are barriers, right? And I've noticed in my practice that even though there are a lot of concerns for both on the male and female side that prevent anyone from seeing a healthcare provider, it really does impact men a lot. There's a lot of embarrassment, there's a lot of stigma in terms of going in to actually seek help. Now, putting these exams off, however, and procrastinating doctor's visits can lead to poor outcomes. So we have to get men plugged in sooner rather than later. That is really this key message.
Of course, and it's not surprising to me that 72% of men would rather do household chores than go to the doctor. Prevention is key. Being proactive versus reactive is paramount. What are top health issues for men, doctor, and how can they be prevented or addressed?
Absolutely. And what I've noticed is that a lot of men have no idea that they can actually prevent a lot of these conditions that are so common as people get older. So a lot of the conditions that men suffer from are similar to those that women have, and that includes heart disease, cancer, depression, and even unique issues to men like Peyronie's disease.
And what advice do you have for men who are embarrassed to seek medical attention? You mentioned the stigma.
No, absolutely. And Movember, this month of November, I mean, the purpose is to bring awareness to men's health conditions because we have so many solutions to these problems and men like things to be fixed, and we can actually fix a lot of these issues.
Doctor, where can we go for more information?
Absolutely. So a few resources here. One is the website talkaboutpd.com. And then I'm local in the Miami area and I specialize in men's health. So if you're interested in more information, you can go to my website, primeinstitute.us. I also have a lot of educational content out there, so feel free to check out part of my message. Everyone needs the education. You can just search my name, Amy Perlman, online.
Awesome. Dr. Amy Perlman, Miami's own. Thank you for this information. Thank you for seeing men and their health and making it a priority. And here's to a healthy Movember.